This big old factory caught my eye. I think it will look good in 360 and a tiny planet. I was hoping to get a bit closer to it, but as you can see, it's bang on in the centre of this whole complex here. I wonder what happens when I go left. Prat town is just behind me. Oh, look at that view. Now I'm confused. There's Barcelona, the main city. For some reason I thought that was that direction behind me. Nice view. Smells of gas or something all around here. Obviously coming from the factory. Welcome to the beautiful scenery of Barcelona. Well, you know, there's hundreds of videos of Las Ramblas in the Gothic area, which yeah, I've even filmed a bit there, plan to do again. Oh my god, have I got to walk all the way down here? Oh. Looks like it. I do plan to end up at the beach. My sunset idea is out the window with this cloud unless it clears up. It's only 10 to 5. What direction is the sea? Where am I? The airport. I need to join the river and go down that way. That'd be good. What way is the river? It's got to be left. My left. He hit the other crate. Jesus. God, imagine that came toppling off.